Hello, my little pickles. Granny here. Oh my goodness, Granny's so excited to see you and talk to you. And Granny wanted to wish you a big happy Easter. If you celebrate Easter, Granny hopes that you get lots and lots of candy. But guess what? Granny got a bunch of candy too. Let's take a look at it. Look at all this candy. Oh my goodness. There's even some bunnies. Wowee. Well, we're gonna get to tasting it. Before we get started, Granny wanted to remind you that she has a book and you can still get it. Granny will put the link in the description below if you want to purchase Granny's book. The first Easter treat that Granny's going to try is a little peep. Look at it. It's chocolate covered. See? It looks kind of yummy. Well, Granny's going to open it and try it and see what it tastes like. But my goodness, Granny thinks that, oh, they didn't Granny proof it. That's always good. Well, let's see what we got here. Is it a little tiny? Hey, does that look like a peep? What in the world? It doesn't really look like a peep to Granny. Well, Granny's going to take a bite right there. And let's see what's inside. Here we go. Oh my goodness. It's got a yellow peep inside. Hey. That's pretty good. It's chocolatey, marshmallowy. Hey, pretty yummy. The next treat that Granny's gonna try for Easter is RiceKrispy Treat Peeps. More Peeps. Look at that. What in the world do you think that tastes like? Well, it looks like it's gonna taste like RiceKrispy Treats. But the only way to find out is to try them. So we're going to try. What? Look at them. Look, they're all lined up in there. Granny's going to take that one right there. And she's going to, hey, let go. They're holding hands. Look, he's so cute, little peep. Well, let's take a bite and see if he tastes like RiceKrispy Treats. Here we go. Oh, hey. Kind of does taste like RiceKrispy Treats. Did Granny even say that right? RiceKrispy Treats. Well, not bad. Pretty marshmallowy. Not bad at all. The next Easter candy that Granny's going to try are coins. Little Easter coins. Let's take one out and see what we got here. And try it. Look, it's a little bunny. Is it a funny bunny? It kind of looks like a funny bunny. Well, let's open it and see. Granny thinks it's chocolate in there. It is. Look at that. Oh, it's like a little chocolate coin. Well, here we go. Chocolatey. A little crunchy. Look, Granny thinks there's little Rice Krispies in there. Wow. That's very chocolatey. The next treat that Granny's gonna try is a Gummy Bunny. What? Can you say that 3 times fast? Well, Granny probably can't. But Granny's gonna try it and see what it tastes like. It looks kind of yummy. But Granny has to try it and see. Hey, well, let's see if Granny can break into it. She did. Look at that. That is one crazy bunny. Let go. Got your ear stuck, didn't you? Yeah. Look, little Gummy Bunny. Let's try his ear right here and see what it tastes like. Here we go. Oh, hey. Granny tried the first bite. Hey, strawberry. A little strawberry gummy bunny. Tastes pretty good. Not real sweet, but sweet enough that he tastes really good. You're a good little bunny, aren't you? The next Easter treat that Granny's gonna try is cheese balls with a little bunny on it. Well, Granny thinks it's gonna taste like Cheetos. So let's find out. Let's open it and get to trying it and eating it and see what it is. Oh, Granny's getting better at that. Look how teeny tiny that is. My goodness. A mouse couldn't make a meal out of that. Wowee. Well, Granny's going to try it. Let's take a few and try them. Here we go. Oh. They taste just like Cheetos. My goodness. They're so yummy, but they're teeny tiny. Look how small they are. But they sure are good. My goodness, they're good. What in the world is Granny going to try next? Well, she's going to show you. Sour candy dough. What does that even mean? It looks like chalk. Well, Granny doesn't know what she's getting herself into here, but she's going to open it. Oh, see, Granny's getting better at it. Well, let's look at the blue. Look at that. It almost looks like paint, doesn't it? Let's open the little package, and Granny's going to take a bite. Oh, it kind of looks like taffy. Well, hold on just a moment. Oh, look at that. It looks like taffy, but Granny saw that it's sour. So here she goes. She's going to try it. Oh my goodness! What? Oh! It's like soft taffy. Oh my goodness, it's so sour. What in the world? Who eats this stuff? Granny has somewhat recovered from that sourdough candy. What? And now she's going to try Easter grass bubblegum. Well, Granny wants to show you this. Look at that. Look at that little guy. He's kind of crazy, that rabbit. But look on the backside. He's blowing a big bubble. My goodness. Well, let's open it and get to trying it and see what we got here. Oh my goodness, look at that. What is that? It looks like zucchini spiralized. If you know what that is, have you ever tried that? Granny hasn't, but she's seen it. She's not a big fan of zucchini. Well, let's try this stuff and see. Look at it. It looks kind of creepy. Well, here we go. Granny's going to try this. It's supposed to be Easter grass, but it's bubble gum. Oh. What flavor is that? Easter grass flavored? Granny doesn't know. Hey. Granny likes this a lot. It's not very sweet. Really chewy. It's bubblegum flavor, of course. My goodness. Well, the Easter Bunny sure was good to Granny this year. And the Easter Bunny left her some colossal sour warheads. My goodness. So Granny's gonna try them because why not? Well, let's try, how about a green one? What? Colossal sour green apple. We're gonna try it. Here we go. We're gonna try one. Even though there's two in the package, we're only trying one. Here we go. Oh, kind of sweet. Tastes like a sweet tart, kinda. What? Oh my goodness. What? My good. Woo! Wow, that's sour. Oh my goodness. The next candy that Granny's gonna try. Oh my goodness. That warhead. Oh my goodness. Woo! Well, the next one that Granny's gonna try is Peeps lollipops. Aren't they cute? Let's get to open them and see what we got. My goodness, they sure do granny proof them, don't they? Wowee. Well, Granny had to cut that one open. Let's take that one. It looks like it's yellow. Let's pull. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? It is a little tiny peep. It's so cute. Well, let's try it and see what it tastes like. Here we go. Oh, that is so good. It tastes very marshmallowy. Oh my goodness, that is so yummy. Wowee, Granny loves that to pieces. The next candy that Granny's gonna try are called egg swirlers. What does that even mean? Well, holy moly. Granny thinks it's big marshmallow eggs. So let's try one. Yes, it is a marshmallow egg and it's all swirly. Well, let's try a big bite. Here we go. Oh my goodness. That's lemon lime. It's a marshmallow that tastes lemon lime. That is amazing. That's so yummy. Let's try one that's pink and see what it is. Here we go. It is Granny can't identify that one. Strawberry. It's strawberry. Well, Granny's still tasting this one. So let's take another bite. There's nothing inside. It's just a marshmallow, but it's flavored. Hey, really good. This would be good on hot cocoa. Have your hot cocoa and it's hot and you put your marshmallow on top and it melts. Oh my goodness. Well, this is the one you've all been waiting for. It is the Reeses Egg. Look at that. That's so crazy. Well, let's open it and see what all is inside because there is a whole bunch of stuff in there. Well, Granny took all the paper off and now we're gonna open it and see what is in this orange egg. This, oh my goodness, this crazy orange. How in the world do you even get the thing open? My goodness. Do you hit it? You do. Wait, here you go. There it is, look. Wow, look at all that stuff in there. My goodness. There's peanut butter eggs and more peanut butter eggs. Look at that. Wow. And more peanut butter. Those are the real peanut butter eggs. They have eggs inside. And there's a white one. Look at that. Yeah, that sounds good. And a whole thing of peanut butter eggs all inside. Well, Granny's gonna have to open this and taste one, because why not? Let's see. Granny's gonna, hey, oh my goodness. They have Granny proof this. Well, Granny's not gonna be able to taste it unless she gets her scissors. And that's what she's gonna do. There it is. It's teeny tiny though. See? Look how tiny that is. Well, Granny's gonna eat one. She's gonna taste test it. Hey, what in the world happened here? Look at that. It's all smushed. Big bite for Granny. Oh. See, even if it's smushed, it still tastes good. Oh, peanut butter cups are good, aren't they? Granny loves them. Well, Granny has tried all of the Easter candy, and that's all she has for you today. Goodbye, my little pickles, and for more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and find Granny on Cameo. Bye-bye.